What is going on, guys? It is Colin and I'm back with another one. Yes, we do have the Bronco up and running, and let me tell you what it was. Something so simple. Don't know why I didn't think about it, don't know why I never checked it, but the freaking timing was off. When I first got it, I changed the distributor, and I thought that I put it back in the right spot or had it pretty good time, but I had a buddy come over, check the timing for me, and the timing was way off. So what we're doing on today's video is we are going to be getting this frame sanded down and painted. Don't feel like pulling the front tires off today because it's stupid hot in Louisiana. So without pulling the back tires off, I'm able to get it sanded down pretty good. As you can see, I kind of got all this sanded down already. Most of the leaf springs sanded down, so we're gonna need to get that cleaned up. This is what it looks like before. Just a lot of surface rust. It's not bad. I'm using like 100 grit sandpaper to just knock that surface rust off. Once the surface rust is off, I'm gonna get it all sprayed down, cleaned off, and then we're gonna paint it. So let's get this done. Alright, we just got the first coat of black on, and it came out pretty good. I'm just using the Rust-Oleum gloss, so it's hard to see. I'm just spraying what I can get to with this hand palm sander and getting all the three spots with my hand. In a beautiful world, I would love to just take the front tires off, back tires off, and get it sandblasted, but that's what we got going on for today. Just a quick sanding. Quick paint. Looks 100 times better than it did. So that's what we're looking for. Like I said, everything else is still kind of rusty. I'll probably end up buying a cheap sandblasting kit to get the rear axle and all that. But as far as the frame goes, we got the frame and the leaf springs pretty well cleaned. So this is what it looked like before. Just a lot of surface rust. I mean, it comes off pretty easy, but it's a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side while the first coat dries. Once I'm done with this side, I'll hit the other side with another coat, and then I'll start on this side. Yeah, but the rear end and everything is bad off, so that just needs to be sandblasted. I'm end up pulling this off, getting this painted to match the suspension that I'm going with. So let's go ahead and get this other side cleaned up, and then throw another coat on this side. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I got the frame done. Like I said, it's not to the best as it could be. What I really would have liked to done is get it sandblasted and clean like that. If we was in a perfect world, I would pull this body off the frame and get the frame completely restored. But we're balling on a budget. Honestly, it's really not that bad. Like I said, there's some spots that I did not do just because I couldn't get it sanded, and I'm trying to get it sanded before I put some paint on it. Those are going to be replaced once the lift is on, because they come in with some new long arms. It's kind of giving away what lift I'm going with, but honestly, it's not that bad. It came up pretty good. Looks a heck of a lot better than it was. So yeah, the whole time the issue was the timing. The timing was off. Now we got the timing fixed. The only other issue that I have that needs to be fixed is the transmission is leaking right at the front. So once we get that changed, I mean, it's not holding back. I can still drive it. It's a slow leak. It just needs to be dealt with before we go on long drives and things like that. But other than that, we are ready to go. Project's underway. What I am going to tell y'all is I am ordering a 2-inch leveling kit just for the time being. That goes between here. It's got a little puck. So just for the time being, we're going to order a little leveling bracket. Next video, we'll be getting in here, pulling these door panels off, spraying them down with the pressure washer, getting all this cleaned out. This is just filthy. So getting this all sprayed down, cleaned out, armor all in it, bringing it back to a beautiful shine. I'm gonna put something on the carpet to get all them stains out, get all those tools out. Yeah. Also have to get a new deck and replace all this trim. Yeah. And then in the same video, we're gonna be fooling with that window. It won't go down all the way, so we gotta figure out what's going on with that. Once we get that window going down, then we can work on getting this top off. Once that top's off, then we're probably gonna throw some paint on that top, because the top of it is filthy. So honestly, I'll just probably sand that down. And my dad actually has a good sprayer. We'll get some automotive paint, put it in that sprayer, and spray it down and make it look nice. We'll probably just do a gloss black on that, because I think the green and the gloss black would be pretty dope. Also, I'm gonna get a clay bar kit, and I'm gonna do a wax. I'm not sure if that's gonna be in the same video as cleaning the interior. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be. If the video is not too long, then we'll do it all in one video. But if it's over 25-30 minutes, then we'll just do another video of that. But that's what y'all get to look forward to in next video: cleaning the inside, getting that window fixed, and maybe doing the clay bar kit and waxing the body. Also, now just leave that out. I'll tell you that in the next video. Some more exciting news. The foreman, the four-wheeler, the lift's still not in. Like I said, when I ordered the lift, it was on back order, so I'm not sure when that's gonna come in. If it doesn't come in this week, today is Tuesday. If it's not in by Friday, I'll contact High Lifter, see if they can give me an ETA on when that's gonna get here. Once that gets on the way, then I'll order the adapters, because the adapters will be 2-day shipping or something like that. So once that comes in, then we'll have some four-wheeler content. We'll put the lift on, and then we'll get the 29.5s on, and then we'll be good to go with that. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I know it's not that long, not that much into it, but it's something just to get y'all a video out. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all want to see some gym content or something like that, comment below if y'all want to see some gym content, because I go to the gym a good bit too. I got there's some nutrition and stuff in there like that. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know that y'all enjoying these videos. That way you can kind of give me some motivation to start throwing out some more videos. So I hope y'all have a good, blessed day, and stay tuned for some more videos.